What's up, tribe? We're back. Market is closed. All right, we had two names today to look out for, and they both triggered. They both paid out, and they both did what they had to do. We can't control price movement. All we can do is control our emotions and control what we take and what we cut. All right, so let's look at Amazon. Okay, Amazon. The entry was 145.41. After it bounced around in here, you wanted it to push down past 145.41 and hit our price targets. Our price targets were 145.33, which it smoked, went down. It hit the second price target, which was 144.28. You know, you were locked in. This I wouldn't have locked in my take profit. This definitely. I'm set right here. You know, price is, you know, moving, doing its thing. This is the one, this is the daily chart. This is the 4-hour chart. So this took the whole day for this candle to do what it did. So on a smaller time frame, like the 15-minute, which I trade off of after I have my level set on the daily and the 4-hour, I manage my trade on the 15-minute. So right now, not right now, but during the day, it pushed through. Right here, I locked my profits. You know, I think it was like 60% on my initial investment, which is amazing for today. And we're going to see what happens tomorrow on Amazon because, look, what do we have? An actionable signal. This is a hammer. So, you know, as an actionable signal for today, tonight's watch list, well, I'm not going to do it tonight because I always end up with a nice watch list the night before, and then in the morning everything is wonky, or you know I just gotta X out a lot, and I miss things when I have a bunch, and I'm hoping things happen. I don't want to hope. In the morning I see what I want to see, and you know if something is a nice setup, but it's kind of out of the range a little bit, I'll leave it to see it where it opens. This opened. This blue line is our opening. This is our open. Indicator. It tells me when it where price opened, and it opened in between our triggers. So if it opened here, and if it would have pushed all the way up, I wouldn't have entered a call option from here. I would have waited till it broke this, possibly retested. Some people enter on my 15-minute. I'm waiting for it to break, then come down, maybe retest or get close to it and show that it's breaking through again or starting to move from it again, and then I'm taking my call option, 1 or 2 strikes out of the money, or even in the money, one in the money, and I'm looking for my price targets. My price target here, if it did do that, would have been 147.92. The second one would have been 148.57. So that's the way I get my price targets. I take my money and I leave the market alone. You know, I don't play with the market. The market ain't here to joke around with you. It's here to take your money. All right. So what it did today was it went through price target 1, went through price target 2, almost went to price target 3. But to me, this is a little bit of a zone. I draw these weird zones. You know, this is where I see a lot of buy orders sitting, you know, a little bit of my technical analysis, but it didn't even make it there. It bounced right back up and made a hammer. So for tomorrow's watch list, this might be on there. Stay tuned. All right. Our risk management on Amazon today was the 50% of this 1 bar actionable candle. Okay. Once you got to 146.62, if you were short, you were stopping out here. You know, some people would have held all the way up here. You know, that's ballsy. So, but this would have been okay. To stop out here, take your losses. You know, go lick your wounds and come back with your portfolio okay, not blown. So right now, it didn't go back up there. So if you went short and you somehow held through 2 price targets, almost 3, and you held, I mean, you're still okay, but man, you know, data is going to start coming at you. But all right, that's it on Amazon. On GameStop, GameStop was a was a double actionable signal for us. All right, actually it was triple for me. It was a 3-1 setup, a 1 bar, Okay, this is my favorite. These are, as a stratter, this is your favorite actionable setup. A daily 1 bar, and it was a shooter candle, a shooting star. Okay, high wick, long wick, body at the bottom. Okay, and look what it did. Price opened outside. So guess what? Most people, no trade. This wasn't a lot off. The price that we wanted it to open was and break was 1547. It opened at 1545, pushed up, okay, and then came down, and then you had a full time frame continuity on your side, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and then you also had the 1 hour here too. If you went to a smaller time frame, you would have saw the 1 hour on your on your side for you to enter to give you conviction. So this trade, after it broke down here, it went to, let's see how many price targets it hit. Okay, it hit actually on a daily, it didn't hit any of the price targets on the daily, but on the 4 hour it hit one price target, and it looks like this might have been, where is that? That might have been what? One price target, two price target. So on the hourly, it hit 3 price targets after enter, or 2 price targets after you enter. All right, boom, boom. You take your money and then you call it quits for the day. But that's what happened today on our GameStop. So we had good call out for on a GameStop and Amazon. I'm gonna start charting for tomorrow, and then tomorrow morning again I'm gonna have a list out of trades I'm possibly gonna enter myself. I'll be watching. This is strictly education. Anybody who has any questions, they can hit me up. I trade the Strat. You can Google it. It's called the Strat by Rob Smith. Um, everyone have a great evening. See you later.